This is Audible.
John Murray Press Audio presents, from The New Scientist, The Origin of Almost Everything, written by Graham Lawton. Introduction. Professor Stephen Hawking. Existence. Where did we come from? Why are we here? Where did we come from? According to the Bashongo people of Central Africa, before us there was only darkness, water, and the great god Bumba. One day, Bumba, in pain from a stomachache, vomited up the sun. The sun evaporated some of the water, leaving land. Still in discomfort, Bumba vomited up the moon, the stars, and then the leopard, the crocodile, the turtle, and finally, humans. This creation myth, like many others, wrestles with the kinds of questions that we all still ask today. Fortunately, as will become clear, we now have a tool to provide the answers: science. When it comes to these mysteries of existence, the first scientific evidence was discovered in the 1920s, when Edwin Hubble began to make observations with a telescope on Mount Wilson in the 1960s, when Jules Verne published the novels From Earth to the Moon and Around the Moon. Both Robert Goddard, the father of American rocket science, and his German counterpart Hermann Oberth found boyhood inspiration in these works of science fiction and, despite widespread skepticism, helped to make them come true a century after they were published. We hope you've enjoyed this unabridged production of The Origin of Almost Everything. Text, copyright New Scientist 2016. Production copyright John Murray Press 2017. All rights reserved. For more information about this and all of our unabridged audiobooks, please visit www.hodder.co.uk.
Audible hopes you've enjoyed